So let me give you an example of how this works. I'm going to share my screen here and go to, and hopefully you can see that. Here it says create project. So I'm going to create a project. I'm going to call it description. Okay? And the description is explaining EmotivesAI. Oops. Okay. Save that. Mhm. Okay. So, explaining EmotivesAI, I'm going to click on here. I can edit or delete it as appropriate here. And I am going to load this project. I'm going to choose a template. And I'm going to use this one, which I've used before. Confidence in presentation. Click that and selected it and saved. Okay. And the metrics here are around things to do with confidence and in presenting. So I will then go to the recorder and we'll start. Okay, so now we've started this, and what will happen is every 15 seconds, the system will analyze the previous 15 seconds for the metrics that I put in related to effective communication and how well I am doing in this particular presentation. And it takes a while to get a few predictions up and running. The composite has popped up here, and that's the overall score. And right now you can see that's sort of at the base medium, 0. We've got a plus 100 here, and we've got a minus 100 there. And, you know, if I were, and this is about effective communication, what happens if I start to fumble a bit? What will happen? Now, again, it will take some time to get those predictions every 15 seconds and give an analysis of them, or an up-to-date what is going on in those. And we see here communication skills right now is down at minus about 70, and confidence is down about the lowest it can be. Now, if I start talking about things with enthusiasm, look, I have to tell you that this is an amazing tool, which it really is. This can really, really effectively help you in understanding another person, their skills, their appropriateness for the topic you are looking for. You can see then these metrics change here. Engagement was up. It's sort of come down a bit after that last little rant. Confidence, my confidence level's going up a bit. It's still kind of around the negative. This consistency, that's enthusiasm, is questionable. It's going down. And now the composite has gone down because I have been fumbling and bumbling. I have to tell you on purpose to show you how these metrics would show up. And as you see, they change almost every 15 seconds. This is where we're at right now. This is prediction out into the future. And because right now this has only been going for 3 minutes, there's pretty much straight line there because we're not really sure. We don't have enough of a sample, but you can see that these metrics do change, and you can check on any one of them. Communication skills started off okay, gone down, come up a little bit. My power of engagement, again, started a little low, come up, still below zero. Again, function of the amount of uh, time we've spent analyzing this. Communication skills then started off good, came down, and they're up a little bit. And so you can see that these things change. I can add any of these and look at them at any in time. Enthusiasm, still kind of pretty low. How about my confidence level? Still pretty low. It picked up a little bit there, and you see it's picked up again, but still not great. Consistency, pretty low too there with confidence. And my language skills, yeah, let's have a look. That's my enthusiasm. Where's my language skills? Yeah, my language skills are still rated fairly highly. That's because I'm not mispronouncing words. I am not doing too much of that. Oh, look, it went down when I did that, and so forth. So you can see this is not just insightful, and we've only been doing this for less than 5 minutes, which is 20 recordings, right? Only been doing this for 5 minutes. You can see how these metrics change over time, the predictions and how and where you are going in real time. And again, I think it's not only a lot of fun, but I think it's incredibly valuable to be able to see these as you are progressing. And so this would be if you were interviewing me and I was doing this and you were asking me to speak on something, this, based on what I've said, would be your score. Now, alternatively, if I wanted to prepare a speech and I was giving a speech and I was saying it and recording it like this, it too is telling me where and when and why, actually, these various skills go down. So engagement was pretty good at the beginning, but oops, it's slipped up now. And so on and so forth. And again, you can look at these individually if you want, level of confidence. I took that out, actually. Confident, put that back in. Take out consistency. I can take out engagement, and so forth. So it's a great process. It's really effective. And I would encourage you to try this out because it is very insightful. It is real time, and you do get a lot of information in the context of a real life interactive event rather than just a test. Thanks for watching.